Hi, welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to explain about continuous function. I'm going to do a question how to verify the given function is continuous or not. Okay, so let's start the question. Determine whether the function f of x equals x square minus 9 over x minus 3 if x not equal to 3 and 6 if x equal to 3 is continuous at x equals 3. Justify your answer. So what we need to do, we are going to check whether the given function is continuous or not. To check whether the function is continuous, we need to verify three conditions. The first condition is you need to find f of 3. The second condition is you need to find limit x tends to 3 f of x. The third condition you're going to do is condition 1 is equal to condition 2. If the answer you get here is equal to the answer get in the step number 2, then the function is continuous. Okay, right. Suppose the answer you got in step number 1, which is this one, right? Step number 1 and step number 2 is not equal to step number 2, then the function is not continuous, which is called discontinuous. Okay, right. Let's start the question. So the first question, step number 1. Step number 1 says you need to find f of 3, right? You need to find what? F of 3. So let me find f of 3. Okay, let me change the color. F of 3, which is already given in the question. Sorry, let me move this one. 1 minute. F of 3. So f of 3 first I have to find. Look at here everybody. If x is equal to 3, what's your f of 3? Which is 6. Let's go to step number 2. Step number 2, we are going to do limit x tends to 3 f of x, which is equal to limit x tends to 3. What is your f of x? Your f of x is x square minus 9. X square minus 9 divided by x minus 3. Okay. So this is similar problems in the first exercise of limit of a function, which is 2.1. So what did I say? If this situation comes, take your calculator, go to the numerator and denominator 1. Okay, fraction mode you can say. So type in the calculator here x square minus 9 and type here it is x minus 3, right? So once you finish your typing, then press the button calc. Once you press the button calc, the calculator will ask you x equals question mark. So you put x is equal to 3. After that you press equal sign. If you get math error, then you need to do the simplification. Suppose if there is no math error, if you get the answer, then you can write directly to the solution. Right. So for this question, I put in the calculator and I am getting math error. So if you get math error, what you need to do? You need to do the simplification. What is your simplification? Limit x tends to 3, right? If you look at the numerator, it is of the model a square minus b square, right? So what is a square minus b square? A square minus b square equals a minus b times a plus b, right? Your a is x, okay, and your b is 3 to the power of 2 because 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2, right? 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2. So this equals x minus 3 times x plus 3 over x minus 3. So what happens now? X minus 3? X minus 3 gets cancelled. X minus 3 gets cancelled. So you are going to get limit x tends to 3, x plus 3. So when I put limit x tends to 3, x plus 3, I will get 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. In step number 1, I got the answer 6. Step number 2, I got the answer 6. Look here. What is your step number 3? If step number 1 is equal to step number 2, it is continuous. If step number 1 not equal to step number 2, which is discontinuous. So now what situation we got? Step number 1 is your 6, right? Step number 1. And step number 2, your answer is 6. So this is equal. So from this, what is your conclusion? Your conclusion is both step number 1 and step number 2 are same answers, or you can say equal. Then you can write the function is continuous at x is equal to 3. Continuous at what? X is equal to 3. Right. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.